Good morning. Are you looking for the perfect meditation to practice before you start your day? In this video, I'll share with you a guided 10-minute meditation that you can practice first thing in the morning to ensure that you start your day connected to and aligned with your higher self. I'm George Lizos, and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There are many types of meditations you can practice in the morning. Some of them are simple and straightforward, while others have all kinds of bells and whistles. In my opinion, a great meditation to do at the start of your day is a mindfulness-based meditation that aligns you with your higher self, and therefore with the love and joy that truly define who you are. I've personally practiced this type of meditation daily for more than 10 years, and I've taught it to hundreds of my students via my workshops, courses, and #1 best-selling books, Be the Guru and Lightworkers Gotta Work. As a result of consistently practicing this meditation every morning, my students and myself have consistently experienced more peace, joy, and ease in our day-to-day life. I'm excited to guide you through this meditation too in this video. When you're ready, sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a long, deep breath in. Take a long, deep breath in, hold it, and release. Keep breathing in and out, gathering up all stress, all tension, all negativity with your inhale, and then letting it all out with your exhale. In this moment, all is well and you are safe. Keep taking long, deep breaths in, using your breath as a tool to detoxify, as a tool to let go of anything that's holding you back from being in alignment with who you really are. With every exhale, you're releasing resistance and you're aligning yourself to your inner love and joy. As you're coming into a relaxed state of being, I want you to visualize that on the top of your head, there is this bright ball of golden light. It's a healing light. It's a relaxing light. It's a recalibrating kind of light. Visualize this light slowly seeping through the top of your head right now and flowing over your forehead, relaxing it completely. Moving down through your nose and your eyes, your eyelids, flowing through your lips and your jaw, your cheeks, making its way through your head and saturating your brain, releasing any incoming thoughts, allowing your mind to become still. The golden light flows through the back of your head and down through your neck, relaxing all your neck muscles. As it flows down and drops into your shoulders, letting go of all the resistance you're holding onto and releasing all your responsibilities. Invite the golden light to flow through your upper arms, your forearms, your hands and your fingers, relaxing them completely. As it moves down through your chest now and all your chest muscles, saturating your heart and your lungs, giving them some love and appreciation for keeping you alive. Let this golden light flow through your back now, down through your spine, through every single vertebra, relaxing your back completely and allowing you to sink deeper into the chair. As the golden light moves down through the core of your body, saturating all your vital organs, many of which have been working overtime to respond to all the stresses of life. Let that tension go now. Give permission to your body to just be. The golden light moves down now through your belly and into your hips, flowing through your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet and your toes, filling up your entire body with this warm, relaxing, re-energizing golden light. You now feel so relaxed, completely at ease, in alignment with who you really are. In this relaxed state of being, gently focus your attention in the center of your chest, feeling your heart beating. Breathe deeply while focusing on your heart, the powerhouse of your physical body and the home of your soul. With every heartbeat, your heart sends out life force energy to every single piece of consciousness within you, nurturing and sustaining your body, keeping you alive and vital. As you breathe deeply, focusing on the beating of your heart, feel the love exuding from your heart extend beyond your physical body and out into your aura, placing you in a cocoon of loving pink light. Let yourself bask in the safety of this light, breathing it in, allowing it to raise your vibration and keep it that way for the duration of the day. Now move your attention down to your feet. Visualize your feet as roots that start digging deep into the earth beneath you, passing through different layers of soil and rock, crystal mountains and caves, crossing the threshold of the earth's crust and reaching deep into the magma. Going even deeper to find the core of the earth that looks like a giant ruby crystal. tie your roots around the Earth's core, affirming your connection to the planet. Visualize any remaining stress, anxiety, or tension that's still within you flush out of your body and into the earth through these roots. And let energizing, positive life force energy from the earth rise up through these roots and fill up your body. Let this grounding energy from the earth join the loving, uplifting energy from your heart and strengthen the cocoon of pink light around you and through you even more. In this grounded and aligned state, mentally or out loud, affirm the following: I am safe in my body, and I am safe on this planet. I am in control of my energy, and I get to choose who I share it with. It is my intention that as I embark on this beautiful day, I'll remember this feeling and strive to maintain it. If something happens that throws me off, I know that I can take a minute or two in quiet meditation to re-establish my connection to my heart and to the earth, and restore my balance. This will be a beautiful day, and I can't wait to experience it. With this intention in mind, gently start coming out of the meditation by making small movements with your fingers and your wrists, moving your shoulders around a little bit. And when you're ready, take a long, deep breath in. Hold it. Smile. Open your eyes and release. Welcome back. You're now ready to start your day, and I can't wait to see what you get to create. In this meditation, I've shared with you the basic steps to aligning your mind, body, and spirit with your higher self. To learn more about connecting to your higher self, power, and purpose through meditation and other processes, be sure to check out my #1 best-selling book, Lightworker's Gotta Work. In the book, you can access 8 guided meditations that will help you connect deeply with your higher self, discover your purpose, and protect your energy. The book is available to order on Amazon and all online retailers in print, digital, and audio formats, so be sure to check it out. I also have a free meditation series here on YouTube with visualization meditations to help you awaken your intuition, connect with your inner child, find balance, and connect with the elementals. I'll pop the link for that playlist in the description below so you can check it out. You can get even more guidance on meditation in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It is full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something, and I hope that you have the most glorious day ahead. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have about this meditation, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.